Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a 2019 Volkswagen Golf Alltrack TSI SE with 4Motion. This one's black. Under the hood is a 1.8 turbo, 4-cylinder. This one does have some aftermarket parts done to it. A blacked out front grille. Carbon fiber APR cold air intake. This one has 17-inch alloy wheels, a roof rack with LED lights on top, black leather interior, panoramic roof. Coming on back here, we've got AWE tuning exhaust, our Golf Alltrack 4Motion badging. Opening up the trunk here, we've got fresh set of all-season floor mats, the original grille, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming around side here, we've got a lot of space in the back here. On the side, we've got a carbon fiber trim, power windows. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. This one is a 6-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and start this up. Also comes with a push start ignition. Give you the sound of that exhaust. It's got a nice sound to it. We've got a touchscreen media display, heated seats, climate controls, USB ports, a nice heavyweight shift knob. This vehicle only has 17,009 miles, Carfax available, and service records available. If you'd like to view more photos of this Volkswagen, check out feldmanimports.com.